Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 2500HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It comes with all the amenities you need: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, mirror mounted spotlights, shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments: massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.